Hi friends, this is Manish Pandey. Welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you how to download Blue Prism process template, how to download Blue Prism standard process template and how to import that template to Studio. Let me show you. So for that, you have to open this portal.blueprism.com in any browser and then log in into this account. So I have already logged in into this one. Now you have to move the cursor on this product menu, scroll down, you will see here developer jump start. So click on that and scroll down and you have to find the latest version. So currently the version that's going on, that is version 7, but the latest we can find that is version 5th and 6th, version 5 and version 6. So this is the process template 1, which is the basic template for a process that loads work from a work source into a Blue Prism work queue before working all items. Please read the instruction guide below for more details. So this is the version 5 and 6. So we'll go with this one. Right side you can see the XML file is available. Now we have version 4 also if you want to download this one, but if you are using version 5 or 6, you can download this one. We have, if you scroll down, we have process template 2, which is the advanced version. So first you should learn this one, how to use process template 1, and then once you are ready with this one, then you can go with process template 2, that is the advanced version. Now from right side you will see this is the XML file. You can just click on that and it will start downloading this one. So you can see here this has been now downloaded. Go to your download folder. You can see here BPA process template 1 basic. So this is the basic process template. Now to import this XML document, XML file to Blue Prism Studio, you need to open this Blue Prism Studio and then click on file, click on import and then click on process. So this is the XML, that is the process that we are going to import. Now click on browse, click on download. Now select this process template 1 basic and you can see click on open. Now click next, click next. Now this has been successfully imported. Now click next and then click finish. Now you can see this has been imported. How can you see that? You need to go to Studio and then you can see process template 1 basic. This has been now imported to your Studio. You can double click on that and you can see this is the process template that you should use to start the development. In the next video I will show you the overview of this process template 1, this basic one,